Welcome to Melodies TV, Ghana's #1 social platform.
Etiefo memamuni akwaba eba Melodies TV so. Arahosem bi aba emse na Ghana osori na wanti arahosem a na trese dey no ende. Amse de beto aso no. We hu entare fefefe a etwegu ewo screen so. Se ade ayeye wa ha we ni je ho atare ne ya ofe na opose o support yen a. Se ne awo benya atare ne bi ana se ne obeto no. Ewo description box ni mo. We eye for Ghana for amwo abrochi, especially yaya mamo. Inti no o click the description box ni mo prizes ni na wo ho. Uwie nso a subscribe na click the notification bell no so. And no any that screen so sisia uwie adoma no se ne ya actual na wa click all latest news bia ye be bia no on sabeka. We say a ye posti wo mo a subscribe ya wo mo a click the notification bell no so no o mo nsa aka. Inti no yan konsem ne so etiefo sani amedi nkanka na akwa se sisi Ghana no se ya sori na yante nsemboni bia na trese day no end. Yesterday alone I reported on 3 different armed robbery cases. Before yesterday krano, the previous day, and also armed robbery cases. For the past 1 week, after every single day, armed robbery cases koso. Mama wati ase se eji wo bia one person wo beka ne kre. The type of robbery cases we are experiencing right now is too much. Na etiefo abrabosem ene se mobile money vendor. Abrantie bia chese woti mobile money ho. A ye fe na atu. A chese wo ewutu adawokwa a ewo bodwiase in the central region. And you see, one thing about these robberies, they say once nanka robbery no koso wo one place na keno na obeka so okay. Yehu ne say robbery no ni na koso wa hanti Germany pa bonifo bi na ahye da beti na ha se ya wo mo edi sa nyamransem no nti yenko ni ngo tu wo mo ase. But from last 2 days robberies are ban ni na no be hu ne say ni na different places. Ugo se we be si wo central region, na we yesi wo eastern region, na akwa akosi wo central region, na ba akwa akosi wo northern region, na ba akosi wo upper west. Just say ni na different places. We need to really set up the security forces. Sisi ade Ghana for yesro. Sisi ade ne krani Ghana for yesro. Na yamti asem no sa branche ya ye fen atu. Wo ye mobile money. Na etiefo de siye ene se wano de wati bebi a wo ye ne mobile money. Mabodi na trail place ni din no ewutu adawukwa mambodi ni ya mesre mo fancheme. Na wo hwana obi ebae ena obi ba na nibako ne share da ye ne ho se wayera nti wo hwehwe eye bebi a ye fe no Amasaman to okaten se wo pe direction to Amasaman nti abrantie no entre no abrantie no so sebe obi a wo ye na ejuma baba ye na adwen so obetre no wo ye se wo tre abrantie no a waba bebisa kwan na se abrantie no oni obi foforo enam ena ne bako ne twe etu si ne so no bia o si me ncha kwan na we twe etu wama wadamfo twe etu si me so se fa osika ne abra o sales we making na fabra ne enko abrantie ne se mimi sales me na kama say me fa ma na I don't know whether the mobile money joint no abrantie na nkasa de ana se wo bi ena what na ho ama no. And I'll speak on that, all the possibilities. I say one no, say one fan sika, one fan sales ne mano, one fan sales ne mano. And na me nim say no fi say etioni ye toy gun no say dey. And microphone no emma warning shot 3 times. Omoma warning shot 3, on pesa branch no ehu ne say etionu bullet wom, etu aboba wom. Still a branch ne say one fan sika ne mo. And afi omo di ebufuo. E di bullet no egu ne bo ene ne fun. It's 2 bullets bako nebo bako nefu eno wuye instantly. Etiefo asem ni neni omwekum obi abrantie ya ti asem no yakwa report ama Bodwiase police station for Bodwiase police and wo mo ahya asese wo mo investigation into the particular matter to see what's going on. I don't know, media Mama Wati has said two possibilities. One, but we don't. This is the only information we have on this particular matter. Now, it could be say one, ebia joint ni yon nankasa ne de. But maybe susu say nanka joint ni yon nankasa ne de a nanka sika no won suro say what the bemo. That's what I think. So yon nankasa ne de ebia place ni yon nankasa ne place e na wo ye adwuma na nkrofo aba say sika. Obi hu ni say me dome nkwa sika na enye hwe me de aba me fa mo. But say enye ne de na owo boss. Ebia na ya ba be kan say wo boa na ya call reporting it to police na asanso abaye nsem bebre because ebia na senior na wo bebi a wo putting ho no wo bi ehu o ma ye ne fast ma wo bi ehu say armed robbers aba attack no na makwa ka hwe ne boss say boss ende wo sika ne armed robbers aba beji Ghana ha say boss ben e no bete sa asem na ase nti ana bi susu say waka ase sika no won fa mo no ana nkrofo yi ebo ne tio eku ne yaya nti enda me ne ka say achu we film yaya just yesterday the Alaba story ne brel the same yesterday yesanso e de NDC parliamentary candidate a wono ne convoy police checkpoints armed robbers ababa begina ho attack NDC parliamentary candidate no ne convoy isizi wo munyama ne omusika ne omubibia yesanso the story brel manager B of MC Sky Petroleum so they stand to be corrected e Ashanti region and also sa omoko ho ekobo papa ni tioku no endra ya yesanso the story brel ewo omirefi place ni din but papa bia wo deal in gold armed robbers call attacking na papa no wo de akokudro ebo robbers no ba kutio ema wo huye armed robbers 7 ene call attacking no ba wo de akokudro bo ba kutio no huye nti nka ne hu se ba ko na ewu no ena wo mu ni na wo mu dwane ye. What is going on in this country? It is just too much. Today when I woke up and then me sorry you know Twitter it was trending. Everyone was saying say Charlie the air kosui the air kosui the air kosui. And now no me mamotia if I didn't say then let me say this. Madam Fubia sama wa catch me o sisi award ni dem kra no osuro. Obebi san say aden e den na air kos den na sisi award dem kra na osuro because of the robbery cases and ansenya koso no. Osuro So I don't know. I don't know what's going on. Meaning, people will try to do politics with it. But I have told you, wherever you are, political party be will belong to. Yes, what they were deal with your politics. No, you are not even helping your political party. It's the truth. You are not helping your political party. So we are NDC ni nani peru. Now person the politics say ane ene Akufo-Addo mreso ene we ayewe na wo ye we ya. You don't even know what you are saying. So we are NDC ni now the same way security assemble the year politics. You don't care about the security himself because what say every single thing would be used to say what the back say tia aban no. So we are NPP ni so na adie we wo the year politics now they share NDC. You are insulting your own political party because a political party na our government no onu na all ruling inti police ni bibia sho na se na so what na ho e ma robbery koso na wo the ababa be share opposition da na tese say opposition no wo no kra wa honden sen o. I don't know whether you guys are getting me. Why we want power no? And this is for those who are using this as politics. Intel America sasano. Why we want power no? Robbery cases koso now they share opposition. Say ane NDC for ne NDC for ne. Not just NDC for ne kra no. Even in opposition no, they are even omo torment wo wo to me a crowd. Akwa Nyankopon ene sebe abonsam. Nyankopon ne enim se to me nia a kra no. And I am not by this equating NDC to abonsam, please. It is just an example I'm making. Nyankopon na yenim say to me ekra no. Into o ka tem say Nyankopon betena ho ama abonsam di bone saa na Nyankopon ba aba bonse aba be complain say ane enye abonsam na ye say masa. Na o Nyankopon na osum ne kra wo kra wo nim Nyankopon ne to me because to me na so sim bonsam to me no.